Hi YouTubers and welcome to my channel. I'm Susie. Today we are going to do FlyLady Baby Step number 4, Make Your Bed. FlyLady is creating the baby steps so you can get your life and home in order and prepare you for soon cleaning and weekly home cleaning. The baby steps are preparation so you don't crash and burn, so you have to do this in small steps. The baby steps that we have done so far is number 1, shine your sink, number 2, pick out clothes for tomorrow, and number 3, get dressed to choose. And now we are at number 4, make your bed. Make your bed every day immediately after stepping out of the bed. If you don't make the bed, your bedroom will look cluttered. In the kitchen, the sink should be cleaned and shined every evening, and in the bedroom, your bed is equivalent to your kitchen sink. That's why you should make your bed every day in the morning, so your room looks nice and don't attract clutter.
There's a new day, and it will.
So please tell me, do you used to make your bed every morning?
There's a new day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss out of the next video, baby step number 5. Please leave a comment and give me a thumbs up.
Think of you.